Pour Rinse Aid into the toilet. It works better than you think. If you've never used Rinse Aid in your toilet before, you need to try this. However, don't pour it in directly. First, prepare a powerful cleaning mixture. Start by pouring 125 milliliters of vinegar into a container. Vinegar effectively dissolves deposits and has antibacterial properties. Next, add 1 tablespoon of salt, which helps remove stubborn dirt and prevents limescale buildup. Stir well until the salt is completely dissolved, then transfer the mixture into a spray bottle. Now, add the key ingredient, 50 milliliters of Rinse Aid. This will make surfaces shine. Always shake the bottle before use to ensure the ingredients are well mixed. Spray the inside of the toilet, the seat, and the lid generously. Let the solution sit for a while to work its magic, then wipe everything down with a cloth. Dirt and stains will disappear instantly. This mixture also works wonders on sinks and faucets, removing limescale and water stains while leaving them sparkling clean. Your bathroom will be fresher and shinier than ever.